Diwali seems to have come early for Dalal Street investors. The BSE pack of top 30 stocks reached the 61,000 milestone yesterday, scaling a new peak of 61,353. The NSE index of top 50 blue chip companies, also called the Nifty, on the other hand, topped the 18,300 mark, hitting an all-time high of 18,351. For the week, the frontline indices ended 2% and 2.5% higher, respectively, ending at record closing peaks for a fourth straight day. Among individual star performers, the Tata Group's combined market cap went past the $300 billion mark this week. Since August, 24 plus listed Tata Group stocks have added nearly 4.2 trillion rupees or $55 billion to market cap, an increase of 22%. The market cap is now 23.6 trillion rupees or $313 billion. In absolute terms, TCS, Tata Motors and Titan have seen the highest increase in market cap during this period. Separately, the IT pack hawked the limelight as Infosys, HCL Tech, Wipro and TCS reported their Q2 results this week. While the earnings report card indicates European growth could be slow and attrition high, the industry as a whole could continue to do well. On tech charts, TCS and Infosys look weak, while Wipro has an upside potential of 11%. Now, as the markets are shut today on account of Dussehra, only a handful of companies are scheduled to report their Q2 results over the next 2 days. Among the prominent ones, HDFC Bank and Avenue Supermarts will announce their earnings tomorrow. Supported by healthy loan growth, stable interest margins and lower operating expenses, analysts expect private lender HDFC Bank to report mid-teen growth in net profit by July-September quarter. At the top end of the profit expectation, brokerage firm Motilal Oswal Financial Services pegs its net profit at 8,890 crore rupees. This would mean an 18% growth on a YOY basis and 15% improvement sequentially. At the lower end, ICICI Securities pegs the profit after tax at 8,677 crore rupees. The net interest income, meanwhile, is seen improving in the range of 9% and 15% year-on-year, up to 18,111 crore rupees. Among key monitorables, the street would eye asset quality in agri or unsecured book, slippages due to the second wave, and commentary around credit cards and fee income traction. As regards Avenue Supermarts, analysts are factoring in up to 136% year-on-year rise in net profit, while margins may expand over 200 basis points on the back of a strong bounce back led by reopening of stores, rising throughput in DMart Ready, and the sale of non-essential items. On the global front, investors will track US retail sales data and developments in the energy market today.
If you like this video, share it and subscribe to Business Standard. For more news, views and insights, log on to www.business-standard.com. Do also follow us on YouTube, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, Telegram and LinkedIn.